Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of MomovalltradesDIY. This is Tia and I am back with another Valentine's video. I'm going to be making this rose heart topiary and it looks so adorable. I just love the end result, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. So I'm just going to be using these foam roses that I found from Dollar Tree. Then I'm going to take these pots, and these are the materials that I'm using. And then I'm going to be using these foam boards also. And along with that, also these wooden dowels. So first up, let's begin with taking our foam and just cutting it into almost like a heart shape. So as you all saw on the demonstration, that was the one how I'm trying to make it look like. And I'm just gonna make like one V shape on the top, and then I am just gonna make a little bit of some loops on the other sides. So basically what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to make a heart, and I know so far it does not look like a heart, but what's basically it's like we're trying to get like this heart shape. And later on I also made the foam a little bit more smaller so then it can look more like the heart shape that I wanted it to look like. Alright, so once I have done my foam board, I am now just going to be taking these foam flowers, and these are just how much of the amount that I'm going to be applying on. So it's just a 3 pink and then 3 red, and then also the lightish peach rose color too. And then I was also going to do a bit of some like 3 more red just on like the sides or all over the place too. And yeah, this is just how much I'm going to be using. And you can also add some like artificial flowers, you know, the artificial flowers that look kind of like lavender, those baby breath ones. And then I was also going to be using the green leaves, which was from my previous video that I had made, so make sure you check that one out too. Anyway, what I'm just going to be doing is that I'm going to be painting this with this hot pink magenta colored acrylic paint, and I'm just going to be painting it onto the foam board. So I am aware that it's going to sink inside, but that's kind of what I wanted, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So now on with the pots, I'm going to be using my chalk paint, and I'm just going to be painting that onto the pots. So I like that because I want to do more of like this whitish rustic kind of garden look, and that is what I'm doing. I'm not gonna, you know, paint it more like, you know, fully coat the whole thing white. I'm just gonna roughly paint it along the edges and all around the pot. And here is the final result. It looks pretty cute and I'm pretty satisfied. So now let's add the stem and put it inside of the pot. So for the stem, I'm just going to be using this short little dowel, and I'm just going to poke it inside of the topiary. So I did leave a little gap on the bottom so it can be easier for me to decide on which way or how I'm going to poke it inside of the topiary, and then I am going to be putting it inside of the pot. But before I put it inside of the pot, I did have a couple of some issues trying to choose what type of foam board I should be using. So from the green one that you see at Dollar Tree, it was not very helpful. It was actually very, wobbly, and it would wobble it down. And then I also used this other type of foam board because I had it just lying around my house, and I thought that would be stronger because I used the exact same foam board to make the the topiary from. So I tried that, and it was also very wobbly. And then I came to a conclusion to use this foam board. It was way better and more useful for me, and it was very strong, so I really love the results. It's kind of like the type of foam board that you get from when you do those big packagings. It's kind of like that type. So once I have gotten that, and it just sticks on. It's really good. So now I will be using some moss and applying it onto the top of the topiary. So I had gotten this moss from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be taking that and just slowly applying it onto the top portion of the topiary where the pot is. And you can do other stuff too, like add some rocks or add some felt, anything that suits you. Since I really like this gardenish look, I did the moss, and I'm just going to be hot gluing it, or maybe not hot gluing it. It really depends on your choice. And I'm just going to be putting it onto that part. And check this out, guys. This looks amazing. I love this. It's probably one of my most favorite Valentine DIYs. You can gift this. You can just have it as a random decor piece in your house, and it just looks so adorable and so cute. I just can't get over with it. Just check it out. It just is so cute. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and also make sure to check out my previous Valentine's video too. So now spread the love, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!